For your DJI Air 3 drone, what are the finest ND filters? Knowing which solutions are best for your needs might be challenging given the wide range of choices on the market. In this video, we'll look at the top ND filters for the DJI Air 3.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have StartRC ND Filters for DJI Air 3 drone users wishing to improve their aerial photography and cinematography. StartRC ND Filters are an excellent choice. These filters are made specifically to cut down on light entering the camera, enabling you to take beautiful photos and movies in a variety of lighting situations. The superb building quality of StartRC ND Filters is one of their distinguishing qualities. These filters are long-lasting and made of high-quality materials, so they can resist the demands of regular usage and travel. In addition, the filters contain a multi-coating that aids in lowering reflections, lens flare, and costing, producing clear and precise images. The wide range of filter choices offered by StartRC ND Filters is another benefit. Their choice of ND filters includes ND8, ND16, ND32, and ND64, all of which have various densities. This enables you to select the right filter for your unique shooting circumstances, whether they involve a sunny day or low light. On number 2, we have Surfhoto ND Filters. Surfhoto ND Filters have to be top in your list of options if you're looking for ND filters of the finest quality for your DJI Air 3 drone. By limiting the amount of light entering the camera, these filters are intended to improve your aerial photography and filming. You may take great photos and films in a variety of lighting situations by using Supfoto ND Filters. The superior optical performance of Supfoto ND Filters is one of their distinguishing qualities. These filters are expertly made with premium components to ensure power and durability. The filters' many coating reduce reflections, ghosting, and lens flare to provide images that are sharp and clear. ND filters from Surfhoto come in a variety of densities, including ND8, ND16, ND32, and ND64. This selection enables you to select the filter that best suits your shooting situations, whether they involve a bright sunny day or low light. On number 3, we have Neewer ND Filters. Owners of DJI Air 3 drones who want to improve their aerial photography and filmmaking have another great choice in Neewer ND Filters. By lowering the amount of light entering the camera, these filters enable you to take beautiful pictures and movies in a variety of lighting situations. The cost of Neewer ND Filters is one of the things that sets them apart. These filters are a popular option for drone enthusiasts on a budget because they provide excellent value for the money. Neewer ND filters have a remarkable construction quality despite their low cost. You can depend on them to withstand repeated usage and travel because they are made from high-quality materials that guarantee durability and longevity. ND filters from Neewer come in a variety of densities including ND4, ND8, ND16, ND32, and ND64. This extensive selection enables you to select the filter that best suits your unique shooting situations, whether you're photographing in low light or flying in direct sunlight. Neewer ND filters are simple to install. They provide a snug and secure fit without hurting the DJI Air 3 drone's performance because they are lightweight and made to simply screw into the drone's camera lens. So these are some of the best ND filters to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.